It's Friday night and it's time to celebrate. I just picked up my car from the paint shop this afternoon. It's Friday night. Clock says 5:45. I'm gonna mix up a celebratory apple crown and Coke, and I'm gonna edit the video together to post on the YouTube. And it's 5:45, so I'm shooting to have it to drop at 7 o'clock. When you're watching this, it doesn't matter now, but that's the goal I got, that in an hour and 15 minutes, I'll have it together and ready to post. And the car, you have to watch the video behind this. It's right there, and the golf cart's right there. They look amazing. Probably over exceeded my expectations for how good I wanted the car to look, and man, I did a bang up job. So I got my drink. I'm gonna get editing everything's behind this and try to get this out by 7 o'clock. This thing looks badass. I can't even describe how good it looks. Pictures, it looks good, but in person, it's amazing. So even as the sun's going down, it's getting a little darker in the back end of my garage. Man, it looks so good. So I'll shut up. I'm gonna edit this, and I'll see you at 7 o'clock. Okay, we're in Salina at Paints Unlimited, and you can't see it because I'm hiding it for a second. The car and the golf cart are right underneath this sign in front of Brad's building. But first, come here, Brad. There's both painters, owner Brad Umshad and Chase. What did you do, Brad? Did you work on it?
Yeah, we worked on it a little bit.
Did you grind on it, buff on it, tear paint off?
Yep, all of it. Straightened out the bodywork, fit all the panels, straightened out the fiberglass stuff.
So I treated it a little rough over the last 10 years?
Yeah.
12 years?
It was a little rough when it was in red, so got it all straightened out. Bodywork done, and primed and blocked it a few times, and then Chase painted it, made it shiny.
There's the guy. You squeezed the gun on the whole project?
Yeah, every inch.
Man,
every
good job.
time, yep.
Awesome.
Good.
Good. Well,
We did all the black trim and windows. All it's new.
Looks good. Well, we did the golf cart too. The golf cart needed pimped up a little bit, and I put new wheels on it, a new roof. He shot the matching color, and Rodney's over there checking it out.
The golf cart was the test dummy on the color for sure. So.
Sure, right. Rod, you ready? You'll be in this video here.
Man,
all right.
Awesome.
Here's Roddy who's checking it out.
Oh man.
Here's the this is like this is real stuff. This is not chat GPTs. This I'm moving my hand. This is real stuff. There's Rodney. He's real. He's not chat GPT Rodney. This is the real color. I think the name of it is carbonized metallic gray. Does that sound right? From like a Ford pickup Mustang 2022-ish. I don't know how this audio is gonna be. It's kind of noisy out there. But so this got new paint, new wheels. Tim Perdue was the hookup on the weld wheels. 17s on the front, all polished, no more dirty wheels. Let's see if we can get a little good look at the color here. This is real. It's no more Christmas tree wraps or taxi cabs or jack-o'-lanterns or black with flames. That was fun. This thing looks super killer. I don't know how I'm gonna keep it looking this good. The only way I'm gonna keep it looking this good is if I leave it here.
That's it.
You guys take care of it. And the golf cart needed a makeover too. The golf cart got new wheels. It had tan seats, a tan roof, clear windshield, so it now has black seat, black roof. It got a new tinted windshield because they just look cooler. It's got the matching paint. Same old golf cart, but it looks like a whole different unit. All fancied up from Paints Unlimited. So this is it. This is what she looks like. It's a little naked in the back without a wing and a parachute, but that'll change when we get it home and start putting stuff together. And then the front end no prep stretch with no engine in it. It's ready for no prep, right?
I will say this isn't the race car paint job. Every molding, ground effect, all the ground effect brackets, that all came off. Everything got painted separate in pieces.
Yep.
Just the way it should be, like we do hot rods.
Yep. Yeah, the latches, door handles, all the trim got repainted. You know, anybody knows the Mustangs knows how bad these get. These get really ugly over time. Man, it just got completely freshened up and looks killer. Yeah, this is a new hatch. This is a fiberglass hatch. The back window here, this is optic armor. All clean. It's sitting dusty out here already. The front end, it's split down here with, I put too many Zeus's, but so the front end will come off sparingly, but it's functional that way. Steel fenders, factory nose, factory hood.
New lights.
Yep, steel doors. Glass here, glass here. This had optic armor. Chose to put a real factory glass back in it. There's only about a 7-pound difference. So real glass it is. Only piece of light and glasses, you know, back here. So, man, this is what she looks like. Super cool, man. It's such a great looking combo. It's gonna look good on the racetrack. So, Rod, you got anything?
No, it looks really nice. Brad did a great job. Paints Unlimited. I seen pictures, you know, on the web, and I had
The real ones and the fake ones?
Yeah, some information, but just walking up and seeing in person, especially under the sunlight. I know this video still won't give it any justice how it looks in person with the you know, metallic and everything. And you know, Gary told me, he's like, you know, parking next to you at the racetrack, I gotta clean my stuff up, but I think I'm gonna be parking down the road. This thing looks so good.
Well, I think if I just don't race it, it'll just just park it by the trailer and
Well, and
call
it's
it
a good
good.
week for you. You picked up your motor.
Picked up the motor last week, got the car and the golf cart today.
You just need to put a sign out front of your house that says "Do not enter" because you got plenty of work now.
Or a sign that says "For sale." If you got enough zeros, come and get it. Yeah, holy cow! I kind of had a vision of how I wanted it to look with the paint and the polished wheels, and man, nailed it. Yep. This will be mainly campaigned in Titans of 10.5 limited class. It'll just take a little bit to get there. I got some work to do. So it's gonna be cool. It's an exciting new change. It's what I was wanting. Oh, this will look like a whole new car. So that's it for now. I'm gonna hop up with this again and follow up at the house. So there should be some more video right after this.
Right over here.
maybe some of that's the battery. It's quite, I don't know. It's on the generator. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good way to put it.
We need a good blowout air hose.
Yeah, carbon tubs as well. You kind of forget about that whole job.
Yeah.
There's your motor plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go through the hole here. You're throwing that little mount right there.
Drink. Ready? Go ahead and chalk it and I'll rehook. Okay. Straight here.
Tell me how close it is.
Just a little bit. Straight into this. Would you look at it? I'll probably put it on the dollies, but anyway.
You're in.
Huh?
You're in.
It's in.
Oh, those are long valve stems.
Huh?
Those are long valve stems.
Yeah. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, cool. Man.
He's home.
Well, oh, it looks good in the picture in the garage here. So, I'll move that stuff around and get the golf cart. Phew. Well, it's back in the garage, believe it or not. It looks good at my house like it did at the paint shop. Man, a little dirty in here. Got to get a little air hose, give us a little cleanup work. Man, whoo-wee. But it's what we got. Looks super nice. They did a great job. I'm so glad at the change of how it's going to look. So I'll get, you've already seen the golf cart. I may do a little clip on it real quick after I get it in, but this will be posted here pretty soon, within a couple hours, I would assume. By 7 o'clock I'm shooting for. So that's it.
You want that?
Yeah, go straight here.
Right. You tell me how close to get.
A little bit. Yeah, straight in from there. Well, there it is. It's back home. It's right there. No chat GPT, no more. I just want to take the last little chunk of this video to give a special thanks to Ultra Color Collision Repair, Jason Metcalf and Logan. They kicked off this project with getting the front end stuff mounted up, the nose and the hood, and they had a time slot available about a year ago to kind of kick off this paint project. And it was at that point, after I picked it up from having them fit that stuff, that I decided if I was going to paint this front end and stuff, the new nose, the new hood, and that stuff that they fit for me, that if I was going to change the color, now was the time to do it. So it's kind of a no-brainer after I talked to Brad, my buddy painter up at Paints Unlimited, when he said to make it look right, if it was doing red, he'd have to paint the fenders and obviously the nose and hood and stuff, and to blend it all and make it look right. So that was the time to decide that the color needed to go. So special thanks to Ultra Color Collision Repair, Logan and Jason Metcalf. Thanks so much for a killer job you guys did on mounting that stuff. Chris Lovett at Wichita Dyno, he was a tremendous help on the dyno with the new engine last week. Setting up the Holly and the crank trigger and the cam sensor and stuff. And the guys at Paints Unlimited, Brad Umshad, the owner, him and Brandy. I mean, I've been friends with them guys since they were teenage kids. I've known them a long time. Amazing, talented people. And his son, Chase, that did all the gun squeezing on the trigger that sprayed this really awesome paint on this car. I'm afraid to touch it still. I don't know. I don't know where to begin. But and Jimmy's in this picture. The picture just previous to this. Jimmy Johnson, Chase Umshide, Brad Umshide. Man, you guys killed it. So goodbye red. No more red race car. This is a new look, a new race car beginning, new engine. I got a lot of work to do from here to get it back together. So, man, thanks everybody that I've leaned on and asked for help, and Fox Rod Racing too. Keith Lopez, man, he made the back end of the car look so good with the carbon fiber, and I was reminded that with my battery location, because I was thinking I had to make a new firewall in the back. And I do not, because I'll make a containment box for the battery in its new location. So the back end where Keith did all the really awesome work with the carbon fiber tubs and the carbon fiber floor in that back half area, that can all be open. There'll be no silly divider firewall across there, because there'll be no gas tank back there. The gas tank's in the front. So all that really awesome work that Keith did will be open back there. Want to get it cleaned up and get the protective plastic peeled off. So a special thanks to Fox Rod Racing and Keith for doing a killer job back there. I can't wait to get it cleaned up in the back and get that carbon fiber looking really good and cleaned up, and get it on the track, and we'll go racing. So, man, thanks for watching this. This has been a long haul. I hope everybody thinks it looks as cool as I did, because when you see it in person, you'll understand. I'm kind of speechless. It's right there, and it looks incredible. Wait till you see it in person. It'll blow you away. It looks so good, and this was a great change. So thanks for watching. We'll see you later.